Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to your Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. So you know today is Christmas Eve in Jamaica. Big up yourself, dog, behind the camera. Merry Christmas, bro. Big up to everybody. Merry Christmas across the world. Big up to the entire Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog family. So you know we are go up on the road now. We are going to do a grand market shopping, you know. And we're going to go on Great George's Street. So Great George's Street is one of the longest streets in savanna-la-mar. So we're going to do a vlog from Great George's Street all the way downtown, along with a little market shopping. Yeah man, come on.
Merry Christmas to all subscriber viewers. Bless up on yourself. Yeah man, big up. We're out man. On Christmas Eve.
So we reach for the service as well, dog. But I say we're for Great George's Street. A record on drone shot. And there's a record of tons of video we want to get. So it's so excited to see the kids them out for Christmas. Everybody doing the last minute shopping. You know, so we are head down the town. You know, record, make you see what Christmas is like in Jamaica. It's good to be a Jamaican, whether you're at home or abroad. You know, now we're better than home. Jamaican to the flipping world. Christmas, bro.
Man has no respect.
You know the thing. Traffic heavy. A lot of person doing their last minute shopping. You know? Nadisha, Chrissy, come. You know, big up.
Hey people, reach our savanna-la-mar photos with the Christmas trees. Yeah. The kids come out and take pictures. Yeah man, the real jerk chicken man.
They wax giant for the area, go on and dance the Christmas. So you don't know, go and make a look of money and thing. But you know, say you're not too bright, but we just satisfy and I give thanks.
Yeah,
so
man.
you don't know.
Yeah.
Just speak up to savanna-la-mar people, them and a peaceful New Year and a Merry Christmas. You don't know, a pay blessing.
Manners.
Up.
Yeah. Andrew Wax man, you get the best. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna release this gear though. Yeah. Yeah, man, I do on YouTube, you know.
Yeah, right here, so AWAC Street Top Store. Yeah, best stuff, them original things them for the top. The best things them right up on the roadside, the AWACs have them. Yeah. So anywhere you want to find the hardcore things them, the Amiris them, just big up and just do the thing. Right here, so Street Top AWACs Jaya. Subscribe, Caribbean vibes, cooking.
Boom.
From your grand market night, you can't fight everything fully active. Right here. You know bad dog, you know the thing come down. Fully.
Yes, fun.
Fully active.
Yeah.
Prop up. You know savanna-la-mar, you find the best in the west. What happened?
Sir, need that stomach steer. Or go.
Yeah.
Or the chicken steer. And first of all, we don't eat chicken.
Yeah.
Let me tell him that.
Eat fowl.
Fowl.
Okay. Fully active.
Chicken are the young one, yeah, fully.
Yeah.
And that's what I make seabird. Original.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Otherwise, meals and weed.
Come on, you can send birthday, you can send Christmas greetings.
Yeah, man, Christmas greeting to my mother, Nancy Campbell in St. Anne's, Madras. And all my friends, all over the world, New York, Queens, Bronx, Waterbury. Yeah, man.
Fully.
Yeah, man, blessed, man.
Yeah, man, Christmas greetings to all of my sister, them. One daughter, Stephanie Walker. Daddy love you. Yeah, man. So, we make our way go downtown. I do a little shopping, seeing where me was. Explore the market, you know, giving you guys some great contents, you know. Big up to my subscribers them over in Bangladesh, Morocco, and France, Indonesia, and I really love you guys. And this is what Christmas in Jamaica is all about: excitement, food, family, friends, you know, kids them out, grand market, parents taking them shopping. So this is how it is like, my people. Yo, people, Rasta, shy out. I want to be
man, no shy out, man. We got a Christmas, man, you know what thing go. I first be out in the street one. So yes, people, welcome once more again to the Christmas Eve. Yeah, man. Yeah. We're there, man. We're out in the street, and you know, a grand market. Yeah. So yes, people, this is what it look like on Christmas Eve. Everybody out, everybody hustle, everybody look something, you know what thing go. Yeah, man, so we're out there in the street. We're going to look for one video go downtown, and we're going to look for shopping. I know how it is. Yeah, man, we're there, man. I want to say Merry Christmas to all the viewers, subscribers, and all my people. Them. Remember, big up Chinaman, Jonah, Michael, Akeem, Cam, you all work. Yeah, so yeah, we're in the street. We're going downtown, we do a look for shopping and some videoing, you know. That's how I think so. Today, man, Caribbean vibes out, fully active. Merry Christmas, everybody, and a Happy New Year when it comes. Boom.
Yeah, big up to the peace officer there. Merry Christmas. I want wishing you guys all the best of the new year. Respect.
Daniel, carry
Last
that
time
bag.
we don't support him, so
That bag you have in there, I'm going to
tomato, carrot, and Irish potato.
Thank you.
Just a little.
I don't want them bumps,
too much.
Yeah.
Say I did my father. Merry Christmas, bro. I'm get a pound of carrot.
It's a 4 and it's a 3.
Yeah, 4 and 3 and 7.
And this they done with me now.
Hey, what's up?
Father.
Hello, man.
One big up yourself, you know?
Yes, man.
You're right.
Yeah, my father, you know, gungo feed.
Come too late.
Christmas in Jamaica, my people. It's all about the cake, the cereal, the gungo peas rice, curry goat, jerk chicken, jerk
Oxtail,
pork.
all these.
4 and 14.
How much is Irish? Give me a pound of Irish. Yeah, one say last time you said we not support you, but you know we have to support the very own, you know? Yeah, man. So about that me I feel.
6.
Yeah, man, no problem, bro.
Calling them, you know the thing. Slap. See your grandfather. But you look on the thing, you know the thing will come from normal. No,
Yeah, man.
yellow yam coming straight. Watch out. Yellow yam. Sweet yam. You know the thing come now. Oh, no. You know the thing. Pumpkin upon the thing. Slap with God. You know the thing. A high body. You know. Planting. You know the thing.
Yeah, man, and we are supporting the very own Jamaican, you
And
know?
them are run for you. 600. Put your watch out. Scallion, ready, Christmas. 1,000 above.
Ginger pizza, really.
Ginger. Sorry.
People, so when I never come later, but me actually I go further down in the town. I say I can get some gungo peas. You know, cause Christmas dinner without gungo peas, you know, make no sense. You know, so we keep the thing traditional in our Jamaican heritage and culture. Come on, man, we go down to. Party, you know, shout out gungo peas.
No, down the road.
YouTube.
Don't come on road then. Don't come on road. Don't come on road.
Best thing about what I stuff right, that's what I look at.
I'm pressing the door.
And Jessica,
I'm pressing the door.
Dog.
What are we having
I don't know, talk. Go to one night, I don't know.
We can send Christmas greetings, bro.
Yeah. Christmas outings, I don't know. Anyone who want to find me on Sunday with a right just a total gas station downtown.
I remember last go.
And the fryer over there today. The fryer there, and the fryer wife here. This is a fryer wife. And the baby living in the street too. Say hi to the camera, mama. Say hi. Yes, say hi. Fryer, big up yourself, fryer.
Big up, you don't know, no. This is an enterprise, you know, Fryer Enterprise. Look for them, man.
Right there, so. Big up dog and the crew.
Oh, them nice.
Best curry chicken.
Show me.
Tell them about the curry chicken back.
And the blood clot
Best
kidney.
curry chicken back. Best curry chicken back around
And
the
the
south.
kidney.
Check out that restaurant. Best curry chicken back. Cow foot, pig's tail, everything
Fried
we want
chicken.
curry. Check out dog.
Fully active.
Fully.
Alright.
On the restaurant, you know, right round the star.
Alright.
Can I get up? Fully. Right? Can I get up?
Fully, man. Fully.
They were there for YouTube long time.
so I complete a little market shopping. They do want record more down there, but based off of the amount of music we have played, you know, the copyright thing. So we get the gongo peas, we get the lettuce, and we get everything, my scallion, onion, my thyme. You know, it's beautiful. Christmas in Jamaica, it's breathtaking. So I'm going to try to see if we can get some more footage in phone, so I can see what Christmas in Jamaica look like. But I can't promise you my people, say, I get like a long complete vlog. Because unless I go record and then mute it. You know, I don't like record and mute and then I have a voice over it. I like give you guys the original.
Ah, bro. Oh, you said 300 come over plate?
Yeah, 300 come over plate. Full cover this. 300 dollar. No, man, I'm 300 come over plate. See it here? Any color you want, just check right there, so.
Fully active.
Yeah, which is right.
Yes, spades. You can see it. Lighter John here. That one is a good look, man. Come in there, neighbors, man.
Basti, we also go and take it easy in the Christmas time. Kind of slow, but we also go and give thanks. We also big up all of the youth them, all of the elders them, Basti. And we say peace right across the board for everybody, Basti. And we have decent dress them to go to church. We have the wedding dress them, and we have the dinner dress them. Elder people and young people things we are doing, Basti. A church we are set. We have a nice movies there, we have a show them same way. We have a nice show them said way. We have the kids clothes and we have the dinner them same way. We have the Harbour Dash and we have the Harbour Dash them too.
Migos.
Yeah man, big up Migos my friend. Big up Migos my
On the road
family.
here.
Yeah, man.
Wow, hustle smooth. Can't walk everything done.
Family.
There.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Listen,
Watch it.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
Yeah.
TMT Basti.
Yes, man.
TMT Basti. One love for the dog, you know what I mean? I always say clean every day.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I big up the youth them and the elders them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I always say family.
Straight.
All of the hot clothes them for the ladies them there. All of the hot ladies them that go to church, I will be there.
We come to an end now, so we are going to wrap up the video now. So we want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all when it comes. Yeah, man, remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog, we out.